Bella's Recipe for Success by Ana Siqueira. I'm helping Abuela in the kitchen when I can play the piano with my eyes closed, mi hermano brags. So what? Mi hermana says. I can do 14 cartwheels in a row. Abuela says,
Oh, stop. We're all good at different things.
We are? But what am I good at? Maybe I can be a fabulosa gymnast, like my sister. But my somersaults are like jirafas rolling downhill. Nope, not fabulosa. Or maybe a great piano player, like my brother. But my hands are as heavy as elephants' feet. And my music is not popular with my audience. Nope, not great at all. I know. I can be a baker like Abuela. I beat and blend and mix and stir. And the cookie dough is delicious, yucky, salty. I just discovered something terrible. I'm not good at anything. I quit. I cover my face so nobody sees my wet eyes. But Abuela sees everything. Abuela, I say, can you teach me how to make polvorones with dulce de leche? We beat, we blend, we bake. But then I shout, oh no! It's as hard as a rock. Abuela says,
Sometimes that happens, Bella. We can always try again.
Try again? I bet my sister doesn't need to. Then, crash. No biggie, mi hermana says. Everyone makes mistakes sometimes. Not my brother. He knows what he's doing. Then, plonk. Oops, says mi hermano. No hay problema. I need more practice. I can't believe it. Even mi hermano makes mistakes. Maybe I can try again too. I measure, I knead, I roll. But my dough crumbles like sand. Oops, I forgot the egg. No problem. Let's start over. I add sugar, margarina y vainilla. Then egg and flour. Muy bien. Time to finish the filling. Stir, stir, stir without stopping. I add more sugar and... oh no! My dulce de leche looks like cocodrilo skin. Then I smell the cookies. Yummy, deliciosos. My belly roars, and I decide to try one more time. I'm extra careful this time. I never stop stirring. Wow! My dulce de leche is as smooth as a salamander. And ta-da! My polvorones are deliciosos. Finally, I'm good at baking and the master of practicing. No worries. Sometimes that happens. We can always try again. Excellent job, readers. The end. And as always, please remember to subscribe and smash that like button. Gracias. Want to become a better reader? Please check out our fun activity books. We also have premium composition books available now. For more information, please visit our website at itsreadingtimekids.org or visit our Amazon storefront page. Do you love music? It's Reading Time Music is now available, streaming on all platforms. Thank you.